Hello guys, today is gonna be about glider planes, and why I think they are pretty interesting. Before I start, make sure to join the Discord server which is linked in the description. A lot of people don't even know glider planes exist, which is quite sad if you ask me lol, but as it says in the name they are literally glider planes. One thing about them is the size. People actually underestimate the size of these planes. The average wingspan is 18 meters, but the widest is 30 meters. For comparison, a 737 is 34 meters. This aircraft is huge. You might be wondering how they get into the air, and this is how. So as you can see, the way they get into the air is interesting. They are the same as any other plane except, well, the engine. Which is the best part about it. I would fly one in real life. One problem it has though is stalling. It does that so easily, yeah, as shown here, but it is quite a nice type of aircraft. So here is a glider on approach. You can see it now. Most people think that gliders can land anywhere, but they are the same as any other aircraft. This one is on final approach now. Hopefully it lands smoothly. So as you just saw by that well-performed landing, they are quite similar to all planes. They are a lot harder to land than it looks though. Another version of glider takeoffs, which most people will recognize, is the run-up, as demonstrated here. So this is a nice takeoff, as you can practically do it anywhere. You can see he barely had to move and the plane was airborne. Overall, I would suggest glider planes to anyone interested in aviation. Most of them are bigger than houses. I definitely want to fly a glider in real life.